In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your personal email in HubSpot. This process will only take about 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll have your personal email linked with HubSpot, allowing you to manage communications more effectively. Let's get started by heading over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, from the login options presented, choose Sign in with Google. This step will prompt you to select your Google account. Pick the account you want to link to HubSpot, and you'll be logged in right away. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the settings. In HubSpot, the settings icon is located in the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on this to open up the settings menu. Once inside, you're going to focus on the left-hand side where the General tab is located. Click it to reveal more options. The next step takes us to the Email tab, which is crucial for email settings. You'll find this tab at the top of the settings menu. Click on it, and this will lead you to the necessary options for connecting your personal email. Once you're in the email settings, look for the Connect Personal Email option and click it. Following this, you'll want to select Connect Your Inbox. This process will initiate the connection between your personal email and HubSpot. Now, a prompt will appear for you to type in your personal email. Carefully enter your address and then proceed by clicking on Next. Now, HubSpot might sometimes struggle to detect your email provider automatically. If that happens, it'll give you an option to select your email provider manually. You'll want to click on Choose Email Provider, and from there, you have to pick Other Mail Provider, assuming your email service isn't listed. Once you've made this selection, go ahead and click Continue to move forward with the connection process. You're almost there. The next screen will request you to input both your email and password. Be cautious when entering this information to avoid any typos or errors. After entering the necessary details, proceed by clicking on Connect Inbox. And that's it. You've successfully connected your personal email to HubSpot. This integration allows you to streamline your email communication within the platform, making your overall workflow more harmonious and efficient. If you run into any issues during this process, HubSpot's help resources provide additional support. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy managing your emails more efficiently with HubSpot.